say?
I got it. Got it.
I kind of want to get hit in the same one again.
Put your arm out that way. I'm gonna try.
Should I even try that?
Yeah. I'm gonna hit you right now.
Let's go back. A little bit further. Wait. Wait, don't shoot.
I'm not. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't move. Come on.
It fucking scares me. Is the camera filming?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's getting you. Come on.
God, stop missing. Maybe I won't get so scared.
Don't move. Just keep your arm out. If you keep moving your arm, I have to readjust. Oh.
Oh.
Now I have to pause it, I guess. Did the yellow fall out? The yellow did not.
Just hurry up and do it. You okay? Yeah, camera's filming. Nobody's gonna fucking watch this.
Well, stop it and we'll restart it. Okay. Right.
Might as well just leave it on now.